Decide both of you. Hmm. Which chapter do you want to take after this? Yes, tell me.
Miss 12 plus system.
Which one?
No, 13. 13 changes physical and that one.
Physical and chemical changes.
Yes. No, ma'am 12 one.
Which one? This one you are saying.
This one is very easy. I can explain it now also.
Physical and chemical changes. And which one is this?
12.
12 is what? Digestive system and the muscular system. So what do you want me to take? Decide, you decide.
Miss 13th lesson is very easy.
So we'll see next class. Yukti.
14 is for OBD for us and you are teaching that only. Elements one.
Yeah. But listen, next time Yukti will take a class. She will explain physical and chemical changes. She says it is very easy.
Yes, okay.
So she'll take the class next time. I will not take it.
Why you will take it as my student?
Yeah, I will sit as Yukti's student and she will take the class. And Harshal will also be there, Anjali also, Himanshu also. Everybody will be there. And we'll ask questions and Yukti will have to answer. Okay?
No, miss. You will give us worksheet.
Whatever she has to decide what she wants to do. She will take the class. Okay, Yukti?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. Now let's go through this. This is very easy now. Let's go through this chapter quickly. Now they are asking how many different states of matter are there. Quickly, keep answering. What's happened to my pen? Again, it stopped working. Tell me, read the questions. Let's recall, it's saying. First Harshal, then Yukti. Harshal, where is Harshal? Harshal, read quickly. Then we'll. So read it quickly.
How many different states of matter are there? Name them.
Just name them quickly. You don't remember the states of matter? Arey yaar. States of matter. Yeah, solid, liquids and gases. Okay, now read the second question, Yukti.
What brings about a change of state of matter?
What brings about a change? What did we say? There were two things which brings about a change. What are the two things? What are the two things? Arey? Yes, do you know? Harshal?
Miss, what is the question?
What brings about the change in the state of matter from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to liquid, liquid, gas to solid, solid to liquid to solid? So we are talking about states of matter. So what are the two things? What causes evaporation?
Heat.
Temperature. Change in temperature and change in pressure. Okay, next. What are the properties of matter? What are the properties of matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Properties of matter. What is matter? First tell me that. That they have weight or mass and occupy
They have weight, mass,
and occupy space. Right? Everything is matter. This is matter. I am matter. This.
This I learned a long time ago.
So you should remember. I have done it in my childhood. So you are not studying to forget. You are studying to learn and keep it in your mind. Okay. Next question, Yukti.
Do all substances have the same properties?
Tell me. Do all substances?
No, ma'am.
Then? No? Okay. Why no? So we'll say all substances do not have same properties. Why? What are the differences?
Ma'am.
What is the difference in the properties if you are saying they don't have? They don't.
Ma'am, some are big, some are small, so differ on the size and matter also.
Miss, I can tell.
Wait, let me ask Anjali. Anjali has also come. So what we did was solids, liquids and gases are states of matter. They change state because of change in temperature and pressure. They have weight and occupy space. All substances do not have same properties. So what is the difference? Anjali?
Ma'am, I told.
What? What?
Ma'am, because some are big, some are small, so they differ on
Miss,
size.
I can tell, please.
So big and small is one thing. What else?
Miss,
Huh?
Miss, the weight of the substance are different.
Okay. वो तो similar चीज हुई.
And is it solid, liquid?
So basically what is it? Solids have fixed weight and shape.
Yes, ma'am.
Liquids?
Liquid, the shape of the container which we put.
So this is what I'm asking.
Only.
Yeah.
Miss, and gases do not have a shape.
Yeah. So all that is what we are talking about, whether they have the same properties or not. Okay? Anjali, are you there? Understood? So we are just revising and going through their lesson quickly. Okay. Now tell me. Read this, Anjali. Read this, classify. Yeah, Anjali?
Following substance according to their properties.
So, water.
Water,
बताओ क्या है वाटर. साथ साथ बताते जाओ जल्दी से. Liquid. Okay. Thermocol. What is it? You have to classify them based on solid, liquid or gas. Thermocol. Soil. Iron.
solid,
Coal, paper, rubber, copper, coir, plastic. So what are all these? Yeah, tell.
Solid.
All are solid. Can you name some gases?
carbon dioxide,
Miss nitrogen, hydrogen.
Very good. Chalo, let's go ahead now. So next, can you tell, Harshal, Read this. What are
objects made of?
what are they made of?
Means they are made from matter.
Matter. What is matter made of? What does matter?
Matter is made from solid, liquid, and gases.
No, it is of three types: solid, liquid, and gases. What is solid? What is liquid? And what is gas made up of? What is it made up of?
Means they are made up from atoms
And
molecules.
We've done this. So what are atoms of the same type? If matter has atoms of same type, what is it called?
Compound.
Same type.
Means element.
And if it is of different types, Yukti, what is it called?
Compound.
Very good. चलो अब आगे पढ़ते हैं. Next question, Yukti.
What are these articles of everyday use? Made of electric wire, kitchen utensils, nails, tables.
Do you know electric wire is made up of copper wire and it has plastic covering over it for insulation. Kitchen utensils are made up of what? Either steel, copper, brass, aluminium. Nails are made up of? Tell. Yukti, tell. Nails are made up of?
Nails are made up of metal.
Which metal? Iron.
Iron.
Okay. Tables and chairs?
Made up of glass or wood.
Glass and wood. Window panes? Achha.
But what is meant by window panes?
Window panes are, supposing this is a window. In between we have something here. This is all wood, but this is the inner part through which is transparent, through which we can see. That is the window pane. So what is a window pane made up of?
Glass.
Very good. Glass. Soil made up of?
What is
Soil is earth, the soil.
dead bodies is made with plants dead bodies and animal dead bodies.
So it is basically made up of what? It is made up of different.
Humus.
It is made up of different minerals, mud, water. All those things are there inside, right? In the soil. Some chemicals could also be. What is salt made up of?
Ma'am, carbonate.
Who remembers what is salt made up of? We said it is a compound made up of two things.
Iodine.
Anjali, what is salt made up of?
Miss hydrogen and nitrogen.
Sodium. So you don't remember and
Chloride.
plus chloride. So you people are not revising anything. That and what is sugar made up of?
Ma'am, sugar cane.
Arey, what are the
Glucose.
what is it made up of? Carbon, C6H12O6. So carbon, hydrogen and
It is of glucose.
you can say sugar is made from what you call sugar cane, which is fine. But what we have learned already is what I'm asking. So we have sodium chloride, we have carbon, C6, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen together combined chemically react to form sugar.
The white sugar is made from
Okay, we'll go a little ahead. Chalo, Anjali, read this question. Read it.
And keep on
Take a
dividing into
smaller pieces. Your voice is not getting cut in between, breaking. Take a piece of chalk and keep dividing it into smaller pieces. What will happen? Yes? Who will answer? What will happen if you keep breaking the chalk? Answer, anybody answer.
The white part is that one.
So it will keep breaking into smaller and smaller and smaller particles till a powder is made.
Yes.
Okay. Yukti, read second question.
wipe a drop of ink with the handkerchief.
My turn, no?
Wait. You answered the first one, na? Because Anjali, I think her network is not proper.
Wipe a drop of ink with the handkerchief. What effect does it have on the cloth of the handkerchief?
What happens?
Ma'am, it will be blue.
So it creates a stain of the same color. It spreads.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It absorbs it.
Yes. Okay. Third. So what is happening actually? Ink is a liquid, so it is spreading. It is taking the shape, trying to, whatever amount of ink is there, so it will take the shape of the handkerchief only. What happens when the lid of a bottle? Yes, Harshal, your turn.
What happens when the lid of a bottle of perfume is open?
What?
Means the liquid will fall of the perfume or the gas.
Should I tell?
What will happen?
Ma'am, the smell will go.
Where will it go?
Mix into air.
So what happens? Although inside it is a liquid, as soon as you open it, it is volatile because of the chain. What happens? It becomes a gas, and the gas spreads into the room. So it goes.
That only answer, not the gas will get.
What did you say? Tell me what will happen.
The gas will go from the liquid, and in that gas there is the smell of the perfume.
So it will spread all around, right?
Yes.
It will keep spreading in the air. Okay? Anjali, can you read? Is this thing working? Mike?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the next one. Use your brain power ka number 1.
In day-to-day life, we come across many things in our surroundings. We touch them, we study their properties. Are all these things only one kind of matter or from more than one kind of matter?
Tell me. Did you understand what the question is? So all these things, are they made of only one kind of matter or different types of matter? Be confident. Of course different. कुछ liquids हैं, कुछ solids हैं, कुछ gases हैं, कुछ mixtures हैं, कुछ compounds हैं, right? Next, whose turn is it? Harshal now. पढ़ो.
Yes, ma'am. In day-to-day
No, this Anjali has answered only. Second one, classify.
Classify the following according to the nature of matter in them. Whether it is made from one kind of matter or from more than one kind of matter, and whether it is the solid, liquid or gaseous state. And engaged.
So one at a time you will all answer. An engraved idol.
What what you mean by that?
An idol is a murti. Okay?
Means it is of solid,
Okay.
and ma'am it has weight also.
What is it made from? One kind of matter or more?
Miss more.
Which more? How?
Miss because it is made from mud, and ma'am no miss it is made from soil, and soil have many particles.
Not necessarily mud. It could be made from silver. So it could be made from different kinds of matter, we can say. And
It is made from different kinds of matter, and it is solid.
okay, next, Yukti,
Gold.
solid.
More than
How?
one kind of matter.
One only element. Gold is an
Yes, ma'am, only one.
next, Anjali, milk,
Milk.
liquid. But how many is it? One kind of matter or more? Milk also has a more, I think. More than one. Water, Harshal? Harshal, water?
Miss more.
Okay. A plank, Yukti? Plank is a wooden thing. Very good. Concrete, Anjali?
Solid.
It is solid, but is it made up of one type of matter or more?
And more.
Yes, इसमें सीमेंट भी होता है, पानी भी होता है ना, कुछ और भी डालते हैं शायद, रेत भी.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
More.
next, salt.
Miss more.
Okay, soil, Yukti.
And more.
Solid, liquid or gas?
Solid.
Very good. Next, coal, Anjali. Made from one or more? Coal, carbon का होता है. Next, Harshal.
More.
Harshal,
Miss more.
what is it?
Miss more.
Smoke is what? Is it a solid, liquid or gas?
Miss it is a gaseous, and it is made from many gas.
Okay. Next,
Miss from carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen.
wood is burnt, whatever. Okay. Next, Yukti.
Sherbet. Liquid. More.
Yes. Next, Anjali. Cooked khichdi.
Khichdi.
One or more? नहीं, let Anjali say. खिचड़ी में एक चीज होती है या ज्यादा? More. What is it? Solid or liquid or gas? More, but is it a solid or liquid or a gas? More तो ठीक है, मगर क्या है? Solid है कि liquid? Wait, let her tell. Liquid. अगर पतली खिचड़ी बनाए, but it is still solid, semi-solid हो सकती है ना? Next, Harshal.
Steam one.
Okay. One thing and
Gaseous.
gaseous. It is made up of only water. But water is made up of more than one thing.
Yes, miss more.
Okay. Okay. Now next, Yukti, read this. Fill a glass.
Fill a glass of water to drink. Drop a small stone in it. What happens? What is mean by brim?
Brim means till the top. Till the top you filled up. This is the brim.
Next.
नहीं, answer what happens. You haven't answered.
If you drop a small stone in it, the water will
It will spill. It will spill. Very good. Next. Anjali, take next one. Number 2.
Place a balance.
Take a balance.
Take a balance, please. Place a small stone in one pan and a big stone in the another. Which pan goes down? Why?
Tell me. Which will go down?
The big stone.
Okay. Why?
Because the stone is heavy.
Very nice.
Heavier than the
Very good. It is heavier than the small stone. Good. Read the next question, Harshal. Which?
Yes, ma'am.
Which properties?
Which properties of matter can you tell from the above?
Which are the properties? Weight. One is weight. Second?
Mass.
Okay. Space, which is what? Volume.
Yes, ma'am.
Then.
And solid. Liquid.
Those are the types of matter, but properties. So they have.
Mass.
They have.
And they have weight. And they have space.
They occupy space. And what else?
That much only you have.
Through this only what we have understood. That much only we have done. They can change their state also. That also we have done. In solids, molecules are tightly packed, but that is not shown through this, so it is fine. So let's go ahead. Okay. Yukti. Read this.
Each of the following is water, sharbat, iron, coal, air, salt, copper, brass, soil.
Which are mixtures?
Sharbat,
Sharbat is a mixture.
soil, air.
Okay. Good. Very good. Next, Anjali.
Take water in earth and cover it. Heat the water to a boil. What do you see on the inside of the lid?
So you have covered it. Inside of the lid पे क्या दिखता है? Have you observed, any of you? आपने देखा है कभी संजना is also joined. अगर आपने उबाला पानी और उसको ढक दिया तो जो ढक्कन के अंदर वाले हिस्से पे क्या दिखता है? Wait, let. Very good. Water drop. Yes. Okay. Steam is going up, but on the lid, on the inside side, it is getting cooler and water droplets are being formed if we have covered it. Otherwise, when we remove the cover, it will go into the air as gas. But because it is covered, the temperature of the air outside is lesser than that of the heat that it is getting. So, because it gets heated, steam gets made, temperature is less on the top of the lid, so water droplet, it gets converted back into water droplets. Okay? Okay. Now this, what is her name? Sanjana, read. Do you know? You have to understand this. Read this. To date, Read this. Sanjana, पढ़ो. पढ़ो.
मैम कहाँ से?
ये read. अच्छा चलो हर्षल, you read. I don't know whether a network is a problem.
Yes, ma'am. Do you know? Today, scientists have discovered 118 elements of the 92 elements occur in nature, while the remaining are man-made: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, iron, mercury, copper are a few of the important natural elements. More new elements are being discovered through research work.
So how many types of elements are? How many elements are there in nature?
Miss 100.
And how many are natural?
Miss 92.
Good. Next, Yukti's turn. This, use your brain power.
Use your brain power. Which elements are present in air?
Which elements are present?
Hydrogen, carbon dioxide.
Elements. Carbon dioxide. Is carbon dioxide an element?
No, ma'am.
So elements. Be sure of what the question is and what you are answering.
Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen,
Hydrogen. Very good.
hydrogen.
Good. Next question, Anjali.
Is carbon dioxide an element?
Is it an element? Batao, Anjali. If you don't know, say I don't know. Huh?
Ma'am, it is not.
What is it?
Ma'am, a compound.
Very good. Next, what is her name? Sanjana. Read the third question.
What are the properties of elements?
What are they due to? Properties of elements. Different properties. Some are shiny, some are rough, some are solid, some are liquid. So what is it due to? Properties of elements. The way the atoms and molecules are organized inside them. Okay? आपने सारी classes attend नहीं करी हैं. Who can answer? Harshal, can you answer this question?
What are the properties of elements due to?
Yukti, can you answer?
What, ma'am?
Read the third question.
What are the properties of elements due to? Can you explain that question?
Different elements have different properties, right? Different elements
Yes, ma'am.
have different properties. Why do they have different properties? Because of, first,
Matter.
the atoms present in them, right? So each atom, each element, the atoms of each element is different. So the property of the element is what the property of the atom is what the property of the element will be. Second, the binding of atoms will also determine whether they are solid, liquid or gas. So we have two atoms bound together very closely, so they'll form a solid. We have two atoms slightly apart, they'll be a liquid. If we have atoms very far away, they'll form a gas. So properties are due to the atoms present in them and the binding of atoms. Okay? The way they are structured inside. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have understood? Okay, next. Next question, whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? Atoms, अभी हमने युक्ति तक पहुंचे थे. अंजलि, your turn. हाँ. Number 4. Sorry.
Atoms of different elements or similar or
Dissimilar. Similar का opposite होता है dissimilar. मतलब are they the same or they are not the same? Okay? Different elements के जो atoms होते हैं, सब elements के atoms same होते हैं या अलग अलग होते हैं? Dissimilar. Very good. हाँ. Okay. So this is a homework that I am giving you. Read this, Sanjana. Read क्या पढ़ करना है आपने इन ये किसके लिए है? हाँ. Okay.
Dr. HM,
What do they stand for? What does HM stand for? What does AC stand for? ADV stand for? CM, DC. So
Miss, when is my turn?
after this is your turn only. You tell me. Okay, tell me the answers. So, this much we know. Yukti also said doctor. So basically what is it? CM is chief minister. HM could be home minister. Okay? We could say ADV, advocate. DC could be district collector. Or direct current. AC could be alternating.
AC means administration.
Or alternating current also. So basically we are using short forms to describe some things. Similarly, elements have symbols. Short forms for elements. Okay? Why do we have symbols? Just to make life easier for us. Although in the beginning it looks very difficult because you have to remember. Wait. There are many experiments here which you need to do, but distillation process. Okay, let's do these questions. Whose turn is it now?
Miss mine.
हाँ,
Miss Maya.
पढ़ो.
Who are my
Companions.
What does this mean? My companions? Group A and Group B. Who are the? So basically you have to match them.
Yes,
Yes,
Group A, Group B.
Group A,
Stainless steel.
stainless steel.
It is not made of only one thing. It is an alloy. metals which are made up of more than one things are called alloys.
Alloy.
Okay.
Alloy.
Second one, Yukti.
Silver.
Silver. Non-metals.
Arey, it is a metal only. But but is it an element or a compound or a metal or a non-metal? What will we say? Let's go through the next one.
I know, ma'am, that.
Chalo, Anjali.
Silver.
Anjali ki turn. Silver is.
Ma'am, it's a
Third one, Bhajrani mixture. Bhajani mixture. Mixture. So what will it be? It will be a mixture only. What is salt, Anjali? What is salt? Very good. What is coal, Sanjana? Sanjana, what is coal? No, bete. Coal is an element. Okay.
Hydrogen is element.
Silver is a metal, we will say. Coal is an element. Stainless steel is an alloy. This is a mixture. Salt is a compound. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Hydrogen, because it is a gas. So it is a non-metal. Okay? So this way they have tricked you. They have not given the right answers for everything. You have to think which ones to match where. Like we matched salt as a compound, stainless steel, alloy. Silver is a metal, we said. Coal is an element. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Okay? Note these down in your notebooks. Match the following, do in your notebooks. लिखा है आप लोगों ने? Have you written it down? All of you? Group A and Group B? Note it down. Then we'll do the next one also. Do you want me to complete the full chapter or you will be able to do these questions and answers yourself now? You will be able to. You are. I have had to help so much. Chalo, do it. Do it. Do all these questions and answers and send them to me. Okay? इसका लिंक मैं भेजती हूँ संजना और अंजलि. आप लोग भी ये वाले क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्सरसाइज जो है इसकी करके देखो. सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन देखो. Whose turn is it? Yukti. Second question.
Write the names of elements from the following symbols: Z, N means zinc, CD, cadmium, Xe.
No, not neon. Xenon.
Xenon. Okay, ma'am.
Br.
Xenon. Br means
Barium.
barium. Ti means
Titanium. ये लिखो. Cu means copper.
Okay, copper. Fe means ferrum.
Iron.
Gold.
Fe is ferrum. Ferrum is iron. Si is silicon. लिखो ये. हाँ. Iridium.
Iridium. P means
Platinum. Platinum. Write down these elements. See, everything you don't remember, you have to write it, learn it. Okay? Chalo, next question, Anjali. ओके, ये मैंने बताए थे ना आप लोगों को, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूलाज। ये पहले एक तो मैच द फॉलोइंग आप लोग कर। सिंबल्स, सिंबल्स क्या थे? जिंक, कॉपर, टाइटेनियम, Fe, देन और कौन से थे बताओ सारे? जिंक, कॉपर, टाइटेनियम, आयरन,
Zinc, copper, titanium, iron, then
Pt,
platinum,
platinum,
platinum, then
just 1 minute.
Tell me the symbols only. Tell me the symbols.
Miss silicon, copper, iron,
Xenon, xenon,
barium,
then titanium, then
platinum,
and
Cd, cadmium,
cadmium,
and zinc,
zinc.
So now look at this: zinc, copper, titanium. Write it in your notebooks: iron, platinum,
Miss, it is ferrin.
ferrum, or it is basically iron only. It can be ferrum, ferric, or ferrous. Silicon,
then
xenon, barium,
Xenon, then
barium, and cadmium. Note these down. Then question 3. Now read, Anjali, question 3. पढ़ो ये क्या क्या है? मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। क्या लिखा हुआ है? किस किस चीज का करना है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक। पढ़ो। नेक्स्ट, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और सोडियम क्लोराइड। क्लोराइड है, हाँ, सोडियम क्लोराइड, ग्लूकोज, मीथेन। तो इनके हमने किए थे। हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड किससे बनता है? हाइड्रोजन प्लस क्लोरीन, HCl। सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड किससे बनता है? 2 atoms of hydrogen plus sulfate, SO4। सोडियम क्लोराइड, sodium plus chlorine, 1 atom of sodium, 1 of chloride, so sodium chloride. Glucose, 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen, 6 atoms of oxygen. Methane, 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen. This is methane. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Miss, there will be
class no, on 7:30.
There will be class at 7:30, yes. You don't want a class today? Chalo, we'll stop the class. This much only we'll do, and the rest I expect you all to go through it. If you have any doubts, then you can all ask me. Yes, Yukti?